Hey guys, before we look into the review of biodegradable pads, let me first throw some light on the hazards of normal pads and tampons. Most women will menstruate for about 40 years in total, bleeding for about 5 days a month or about 2,400 days over the course of a lifetime. About 6.5 years all told. All that menstrual fluid has to go somewhere. It usually ends up in a tampon or on a pad, and after their brief moment of utility, those products usually end up in the trash. Most pads are 90% plastic and made from chlorine bleached wood pulp. Studies have shown that one sanitary pad or tampon could take from 500 to 800 years to decompose, as the plastic used is non biodegradable and can lead to health and environmental hazards. Today, I'm going to show you one of the best biodegradable, eco-friendly sanitary pads in the market, which is chlorine-free, easily available on Amazon and affordable. This video is only to create an awareness about biodegradable, eco-friendly and hygienic sanitary pads and is not sponsored. You can use any pad, but I have taken the one which is the best among all I have used, and that is Leica sanitary pads. They live by the tagline "Good for her and good for earth" and is available online for 239 rupees for 10 extra long pads. The pads come in a recyclable box and the packaging is so beautiful. There are clear instructions on all sides of the box telling you how to use the pad, how to discard the pad, the measurements of the pad, and why and how it is hygienic for you over other pads. This box contains 10 premium Cozy Fluff extra long night pads which I use regularly. Even though other options are available for day and night usage, I always prefer to use the night pads for all the days. Each box comes with a free panty liner and all the pads are neatly stacked inside with individual pad covers, which is in turn used for disposing the used pads. Borrowing or lending a pad has never been easier, and this size fits everyone, tall or short or big or small. So, next time when you want to borrow or lend a pad, you need not worry about the size or hiding it from others or even disposal and usage of the pad, as each pad cover comes with clear instructions on it. All biodegradable pads are mostly made of organic materials such as bamboo, corn, jute, or banana fiber with no use of harmful chemicals. The pads are compostable, saving the country from the humongous problem arising out of the disposal of used pads and other menstrual products. These pads feel so premium, and I'm sure you'll agree to this just by looking at this. Most of us have been using only two brands of sanitary pads all our life. So you can find a clear difference between the normal pads and this pad. The USP of this pad is that it comes with two wings, one on the upper end and another on the lower end. The pads might shift easily, and that's why they have come up with this brilliant idea of providing two sets of wings. It sticks very well to the panties and it does not change position. Since these pads are made of natural fibers, there's no way that you can catch an infection or rash by using these pads. This is a comparison of the normal cottony pads available in the market and the biodegradable pad available with Leica. You can see that the Leica pad is so soft and fluffy, whereas the normal cotton pad is slightly bumpy here and there. It is not uniform on all the ends. Because of the uniformity, the liquid spreads evenly and you do not feel heavy at irregular places. Whereas in the normal cotton pad, since it has only one set of wings, it does not sit properly in position. And because of its bumpy texture, the liquid does not spread evenly and it makes it really heavy when it is soaked. Leica pads is designed to have a normal front end and a much bigger back end to prevent leakage while sleeping or while sitting, whereas the normal pads is of the same size from front to back, which is difficult to handle during physical activities or while sleeping. The bigger the pad, the more confidence it gives us, so a wider back is definitely a win-win idea. Talking about the price difference, the normal cotton pad is about 10 rupees, whereas the biodegradable eco-friendly cotton pad is about 20 rupees, which means it is double the cost of the normal pad only because it is incomparatively a better option when compared to the normal pads. Whenever I make the shift to costlier organic options, I always remind myself that I'm spending my hard-earned money on healthy lifestyle rather than spending it on cancer treatments. The next stark difference is clearly the length of the pad. The normal pad that I'm showing you is also of XL size and the Leica pad that I'm showing you is also of XL size, but I'm sure you can clearly find the difference in length. Another major discomfort with the normal cotton pads is that they are not foldable because of their thickness. But biodegradable pads are foldable and can be easily carried in your wallet or handbag in spite of their bigger size. These cotton pads are provided in another plastic cover, which is again an environmental hazard. And these pads are kept directly inside the plastic covers, which means if you have to carry two or three pads inside your handbag, you don't have individual covers for each of the pads. So these pads will be exposed to all other items in your handbag, be it makeup or be it food items or anything else, and you will be using the same exposed pad on your private parts, which can easily cause infections, rashes, and other medical problems. If you're still using these pads, at least make sure to wrap these pads in proper non-printed covers before placing them inside your handbag. Next, let's look at the usage and disposal of Leica pads. So when you open one of these Leica pads, this is what you see. There is a biodegradable soft paper layer behind the pad which can be easily removed. This also has a sticker. You don't have to remove and take out the sticker separately, just remove the paper layer that is stuck behind the pad. As soon as you take the pad out from the cover, peel the sanitary pad from the base layer. Peel the glue paper sticking to both sets of wings. Now this is the sanitary pad and the glue layer is behind the pad both at the center and on the wings. After using the pad, it's very easy to roll the pad. Just close both the sets of wings both on the top and at the bottom. Roll the pad with both your hands and make it stick together using the glue that is provided behind the pad. I know it's quite easy when I display it on a fresh pad and it becomes a little difficult when you do the same with used pad. But trust me, if you don't dispose your sanitary pad properly, it will open up in the trash bin and the garbage collectors will have to handle them, pick them up using their own hands and dispose them properly in their garbage truck. This is the worst thing we could do to another human, so make sure you dispose your sanitary pad yourself in the most proper and hygienic way. Rolling the pads like this is not at all possible in normal cotton pads because they are not designed to be folded or rolled. So you can do this only by using biodegradable pads. And now comes the next layer of disposal. This is the back sheet that we removed earlier before using the pad. Roll the used pad again using the same back sheet. And here comes the sticker using which you can easily stick the used pad together. Now, no matter where you throw this or how you move this, the pad is not going to open up. Brilliant, right? Now, the next step is the most easiest step and my most favorite part too. Because every time after using a pad, I will be running around the house searching for a newspaper. But since I have a disposal bag ready here, I just open the bag, place the rolled pad inside, close it, and neatly throw it in the trash bin. This safe method of disposal allows you to have a common trash bin at home. You need not shy away from your brother or father or from friends while disposing your sanitary pad. The entire box itself is so handy and it occupies minimal space when it comes to storage and organization. I just place it in one corner in my wardrobe and I'm good to go. You can carry these pads in style inside your clutch, inside your wallet or handbags without any worry of exposing them or letting others know that you're chumming. I'm able to place two of these pads comfortably in my narrow clutch, and even after placing them, I still have so much of space to place my phone and other items. And when I want to change or when I want to lend it to someone, I can easily pick one of the pads and use it. After usage, it definitely looks a little bit more thicker than how it was earlier, but still no problem guys. You can still place it inside your clutch. Even if you don't find a trash can nearby, you can carry it in your clutch all the way home and dispose it. This is the Leica website in case you guys want to order. They follow four pillar rules to keep their pads hygienic and comfortable. They have panty liners, moderate flow pads, heavy flow pads, and also combo packs. According to your choice, you can customize your own combo. The measurements of each type of pad and when they are supposed to be used is also mentioned on their website. There are genuine reviews and a lot of blog posts available on their website, which will be helpful to you if you are planning to order this for the first time. It's heartwarming to see that Leica cares for the less privileged as well, as whenever you buy one set of Leica pads, you will be donating one pad to the underprivileged. They have tie ups with three NGOs and they support rural India with our help. Thanks for watching this video. You can continue to support me by hitting on the subscribe button. See you again in another useful and interesting video. Until then, this is Fatima signing off. Take care. Bye bye.